Hello and welcome back to GBRLIFE Reviews under the new vlog umbrella of Kaleidoscope Vision. I'm Caitlin, and today we're exploring a platform that's making waves in the digital space. Beacons.AI. Imagine this. You're a creator, entrepreneur, an influencer, juggling multiple social media platforms. You've got a new blog post, a fresh podcast episode, and a special offer on your products. It's a challenge to keep everything organized and easily accessible for your audience, right? Well, that's where Beacons.AI comes in. It acts like a digital concierge to streamline your online presence. In this review, I'll break down what Beacons.AI is, its pros and cons, pricing, and give it a rating based on my experience. If you're looking to enhance your digital footprint and streamline your online links, then you've come to the right place with today's review. Make sure to keep watching and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials, parenting hacks, insights, and honest reviews like this. Remember, here at GBRLIFE, we drop new content weekly, along with maintaining a vibrant blog, engaging podcast, and our stylish, comfortable clothing line, Momma Koala. Now let's dive into the details right after our quick 10-second intro.
Going to ask you a million
Picture this, you're at a live virtual event and someone asks where they can find your latest content or shop your products. Instead of bombarding them with multiple links, you simply share your Beacons.AI link, a single gateway to your online offerings. It's like handing over a digital business card. Because Beacons.AI is a dynamic LinkInBio tool that goes beyond just linking your social media profiles. It's a comprehensive platform allowing you to create a customized, interactive landing page that showcases your content, products, and services all in one place. Think of it as your digital storefront, where every visitor gets a tailored experience of what you offer. The standout feature of Beacons.AI is its ease of use and customization. You can drag and drop elements, add your branding, and even create and integrate e-commerce and digital downloads into your bio link. Whether you're sharing your latest YouTube video, promoting a blog post, or showcasing some unique products, or really anything, Beacons.AI makes it seamless and visually appealing. Now let's talk the pros and cons. So you can see right in front of me, it's got a pretty easy, friendly interface. It offers a very sleek design, it's kind of intuitive, and it makes building your bio link page very easy right in front of you. It has customizable templates with a variety of templates and customization options, and you can create pages that truly reflect your brand's identity. And then there's the e-commerce integration. They allow you to add anything directly to the Beacons page, including payment. This is huge for creators and entrepreneurs. Plus, there's analytics and insights, and they can provide you some really great details into this. But then there's also the social media links and media profiles and videos and images and embedded social media feeds and interactive experiences for your viewer, for your new audience member. But it's not all fun and games. Some of the cons are there is a little bit of a learning curve. So there are some basic features that are really quick and easy to just, add a block right here. Very quick and simple, but at the same time, as I showed you right here, just to be able to do anything with my insights, there's a little bit more. I have to select this or select that. It's not the easiest, most friendly in every capacity, but I will say that with just a little bit of customization, it will get you exactly what you kind of want and need. This is supposed to be cons, and I'm still telling you some pros. It's just not as bad. And then there are some limited free features. So this is a paid platform. So while you are able to use this on a free basis, obviously you're not going to get the full potential. There's so much it can do, but you're not able to get that full potential based on the free version. They really want to bring you in to the paid. And then there's some mobile optimization issues occasionally that some users have reported, which is kind of a big deal because we are using these types of things more on a mobile device more than we would on a computer. but they're usually very minor issues. So let's take a look inside of Beacons.AI a little bit more. So when you first get here, you're greeted with a dashboard where you can start building your page, and you choose from a variety of templates. And that's directly the beginning, not what you're seeing right in front of you. But it's easy in the very beginning to just select, a text box or an image or anything you kind of want to see right in front of you. Then they bring you directly to this page here. So you have a better idea of being able to add even more to your LinkInBio page. And yes, it does show the analytics a little bit over here, but you can see there's really nothing here because I haven't sent it out to anybody. Nobody knows it exists. And one of my favorites is that it also shows email marketing. So that means that Beacons.AI also has the opportunity to do email newsletters and email marketing in general. So let me also show you email marketing. Right here, again, haven't done any of that yet, but you can create newsletters based off of what they already know. Because this is an AI tool, it's a lot more intuitive than some of the other tools out there. So the solution here is to go through and kind of figure out by reading. So for example, I'm looking at it and I want to do an email news marketing, a newsletter email marketing. So I can do that for Momma Koala by saying, hey, I want to add and tell everybody about the new short sleeve shirt that I have, and I can drive sales to my Momma Koala page. Or of course here, I can also add a link and then have them create an email based off of that link, like a new YouTube video, just for all of you to find out about. And they call these new broadcasts because newsletters are basically, or email marketing is basically a marketing campaign. So it's a wonderful way to get everybody to know exactly what's going on with your stuff by sending out via email. And what I like about Beacons.AI is that it has the opportunity for you to do that right here at the same time that you may update your LinkInBio page, because it is both a LinkInBio page along with a email marketing option. And because you can add your storefront, it really allows for you to just go to one page and really sell your products. And in addition to that, they allow you to create media kits to be able to work with brands that you want to work with. So they're kind of going to showcase what you can do just by selecting your media kit and showing and letting them know who you want to work with. It's fantastic. So I bet you're wondering what all of this costs. Regarding pricing, Beacons.AI is quite competitive. The free plan offers basic features, including a customizable page and access to templates, where the creator plan starts at $10 per month, providing advanced customization analytics and e-commerce features. That's what you see for mine is actually the creator plan. And it's right in front of you showing more of the creator pro plan, which is going to give you even more options where I could upgrade to right here. Lots of unlimited features, a lot more robust tools for business owners, advanced integrations and priority support. It really is a great option for pretty much anybody. And then there's your VI. Basically here, you're going to have unlimited courses, as you can see here, dedicated support and white glove onboarding. So it makes it so that everybody can go straight to Beacons.AI as a team and still use it without you having to teach them how, because of the white glove onboarding that they offer for VIP and those entrepreneur places, corporate America, or just corporate in general. Beacons.AI is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their digital presence. It's perfect for creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs who want a seamless way to connect their audience with their content and products. While there's a bit of a learning curve for some features and a need for a premium plan to unlock all the functionalities, its benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Personally, I'm in love. But because it's not perfect for literally everybody in how quick and easy it is on how to use it, I'm going to give it a solid 4.5 out of 5. Really, for me, it's a 5 out of 5. Do you have any questions about Beacons.AI? Or is there another digital tool you're curious about? Because I know for me, Beacons.AI might be the end all be all, but I'm always looking to review even more. So drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. And that is it for this week. Next week, we'll be diving into another exciting tool to help you elevate your online presence. Etsy. Is it really the best place for small businesses to sell their crafts? Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you'll be notified when our next video goes live. And remember, with all our content on GBRLIFE.com and our fabulous Momma Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life. See you next time.